This video is sponsored by Chicago Steak Company. Steak University is dedicated to teaching you how to cook the ultimate steak experience.
Hey everybody, welcome to the Wolfe Pit. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to cook an amazing, melt-in-your-mouth prime rib roast. Absolutely perfect for any occasion. So let's get started. Here I have a 10-pound USDA prime, wet-aged, standing rib roast that has been sitting on the counter for about 8 hours to come up to room temperature. It's very important that this meat is at room temperature or the cooking method used today will not work. The first thing I want to do is separate the ribs from the roast, so using a very sharp knife, just follow the bones all the way down. Once you remove the ribs from the roast, set the ribs aside. Now you want to liberally wet the roast down with some worcestershire sauce. And now very, very liberally season with kosher salt. And black pepper. And again, you want to season this very liberally as this is a large cut of meat. And now you want to work 3 pieces of butcher twine underneath the roast, and these are cut about 18 inches long. And now you want to replace the bones exactly how they were on the roast before you cut them off. Now simply pull each piece fairly tight and then tie into a square knot. And now just come back with your knife and cut off the excess string. Now, just like we did on the other side, liberally coat the roast with Worcestershire sauce. Kosher salt. And of course, black pepper. And don't forget to season the sides of the roast. Now I have the roast on a raised rack, and this goes into a 500-degree oven for 5 minutes per pound, so that's 50 minutes. Once the 50 minutes is up, turn the oven off, leave the door shut, do not open it, for 2 hours. The gourmet meats used in today's video were provided by my friends at the Chicago Steak Company, who supply steaks to 5-star steakhouses across the US, and who will ship these same steaks directly to your door on dry ice, so you too can enjoy the ultimate steak experience. They also have excellent video and article resources on their site, mychicagosteak.com. Just click on the Steak University link at the top of the page. Your gourmet meats will arrive directly on your doorstep, packed in dry ice still frozen solid, in a sturdy box with a styrofoam cooler on the inside. Once you remove the meat from the dry ice, you can either put it into the freezer to keep it frozen, or put it into the refrigerator, in most cases overnight to thaw out, or in this case, this roast took 2 days to thaw out in the fridge. Here's our prime rib roast after cooking in the oven at 500 degrees for 50 minutes, and then resting in the unopened oven for another 2 hours. It has a beautiful black pepper and salt crust on the outside, and is cooked perfectly medium rare in the middle. And there you have it, perfectly cooked, melt-in-your-mouth prime rib. Serve on a warm plate with piping hot au jus, and you'll never need to order prime rib out again. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you give this a try, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching Steak University TV.